have is basically if you wanted to speed run a home loan. By default, home loans are 30 years. But you can choose, if you're rich enough, to tell the bank, you know what, I'll pay it off in 20 or 25 years. Mathematically, this works exactly the same as larger repayments. But instead of your payments deciding how long the loan term goes for, your loan term decides how big the payments are. So N is going to match the shorter loan term. All other variables remain the same. Solve for PMT. So consider the default home loan 2025. How much interest would I save if I chose to pay it in 25 years? So I'm going to set up the default loan, 5%, 500 grand, paying it off monthly. OG, originally it was 30 years, so 360. But now I'm telling the bank I want to speed run that, so it's going to be 25 years times by 12. So I want to pay it off in 300 payments, not 360. So what's going to change here? My PMT is going to be larger to match that. So now my PMT, N is now 300. I was the same as before. PV, same as before. The only difference is that I chose to say that I'm rich enough that I can afford to pay this off in 25 years. So that's $2.95 2DP. I don't want to owe the bank anything at the end. PY is 12, CY is 12. Okay, how much interest is paid here? 300 payments of $2,922.95. Take away 500 grand. That's a lot less. 300 times $2,922.95. Take 376,885. So you can see that's a lot less versus the default loan. So how much do I save? $466,279.20. Oh, two minuses. 466,279.2 minus 376,885. 89 grand. So if you're brave enough, if you're rich enough, if you're one of those content creators and you can choose to pay off the loan in much less time, your PMT is going to be a lot higher. We're going to save a lot. That is another strategy that you could do today in the double lesson.